Hi, kiddos. It's a bright and beautiful day. Today, let's have some balloon popping fun and learn numbers. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, wow! It's a red balloon. Look, it's the number 1. Look at those 2 blue balloons. 1, 2. It's number 2. 3 green balloons. Up they go. 1, 2, 3. It's number 3. 4 purple balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's number 4. 5 yellow balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's number 5. 6 orange balloons. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here comes number 6. Look up. 7 hot air balloons are floating down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, it's number 7. See, those 8 pink balloons are cute. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's number 8. Wow, it's 9 sparkly balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's number 9. Whoa! A big finale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's number 10.
Whoa!
Great job! You counted all the way from 1 to 10. See you next time. Bye-bye.